Namaskaram. People don't understand, man. विनाश काले विपरीत बुद्धि. इन लोगों को पता नहीं कैसे कैसे मैसेज दिए जा सकते हैं. Why was Krishna called Mayavi? Because he used to do all sorts of stuff. He used to make things happen like which never happened. People will be like it happened. You are talking about Vishnu, right? Okay, so Vishnu. So let me summarize that entire thing, right? It will be better, like different format. Maybe we can do a reel also. That one. In yin and yang, like Vishnu will be the white and Shiva will be the black. It's like very basic concept. Something or everything needs to depend on nothing to exist. For a thing for not to be there, there has to be a valid existence, right? To contrast it. What is Vishnu? Vishnu is Shiva. Who else? As I told in the story, it's a very simple thing. Basically, for something to happen, for a creation to happen, there need be a creator. Like a creator is required, right? For creation to happen, a creator is required. But what else is required for creation to happen? Player. Who will play out that creation? So there is a creator and there is a player. There is the truth and there is the appearance of the illusion. Samsara. And they, if you like look at it closely, they both cannot exist without each other. It's just like how the consciousness is intertwined together. See, that's why I was keep telling you guys don't understand the reality. So initially I was like going slow, like see guys, you don't understand the reality. This is the truth. But then all of you are arrogant assholes, you know, dipped in your egos. If I know this is not the reality, I know which is the reality. Do you understand that? And if I know what is the reality, I can bend reality. Neti neti. If I know what is not there, then I also know what is there. Because it exists in the pair. Oh my god. People don't understand, man. Like, what is God? What do you understand by the definition omnipotent? What is the meaning? Omnipotent. Omnipotent doesn't mean that it has limitless power. Omnipotent means that it is power. Like, it is the base of your existence on which you are sitting on which the world is based, created on. My God, oh, so many of you have done so many mistakes, no? You mistreated me. I kept telling you, who am I? Who am I? And you're like, oh my God, this guy needs our help. He has gone mentally challenged. What can we do? We have to give sympathy. See, what is he doing? All of these things. He definitely mentally challenged. Oh my God. I am mentally challenged. Huh? If I am mentally challenged, then who is doing all of this magic? Those people who understood, they will understand it. Stupid assholes think that they are giving me something by giving anything. This is my creation, bro. Like, I created all of this. So many ego, no? You created all of this. What the fuck? What if I really did create all of this? Do you think what will happen to you? Because you think it's a bluff. If I can create this, I can create a lot of stuff. Huh? Hell is also my creation. They think God is all good, good, good. So God is God. That's why it's called God. It is existence itself. What you will see now. See, it takes some time to come for things to come in physical. So I was telling ahead of time, like spiritually, oh, this is done. This is done. This is done. People thought I am mentally challenged. because they have themselves never seen the truth. So how will they know the truth? If you have never seen a sane person around you, you live in a mental asylum, okay? Then how will you know? Then the sane person will look insane to you. If you live in a mental asylum where every 16 minutes a girl is getting raped, and everyone is like, oh no, law is like that. We cannot do something about that, sir. Kapil Sibal, sir. What is the book is written? So it is allowed. Go and rape, please. Book it is written. And then you're like, oh yes, he's a very good lawyer. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, we will do this thing, then we will do this thing, then we will do this thing, then we will do this. Are you robot? AI बिठा दे तुम्हारे, हटा दे. सामने की चीज देखने के लिए इंसान को बनाया ना, चेतन बनाया है. ये सब तो वो AI भी कर सकती है. मतलब ये तो ऐसा हो गया कि पुलिस वाले के सामने क्राइम हो, वो पहले इस लाइक इंटरसेक्शन दिस कैन हैपन और नॉट, व्हाट इज द एविडेंस, व्हाट आर ऑल ऑफ दिस. भाई तेरे सामने मारा है, लाइक व्हाट द फक. तुम इंसान ही नहीं हो क्या अब? मतलब इंसानियत ही छोड़ दिया तुमने. इंसानियत थी रे, यही तो चक्कर है. दैट इज द मेन क्लू. They were never human. They are demons in the human skin. All of them collided together. Now you understand what all force is. Okay, all of these forces collude together to keep you living in a false matrix. Like they tried to create their own reality in a sense. They tried to mimic God, just like how Lucifer did. No, they tried to mimic God. It's like, oh, can I also be God? When a human wrapped in ignorance thinks that he can also be God, then there's nothing like God then. Because then you don't know the God. See, God exists only in the devotional arena. Okay. In other areas there is no God also. Like in the other yogas, only in Bhakti Yoga, God exists. In the other yoga, you can go without God also. You don't need to believe. If you are your karma yogi, means that you are doing your job honestly. Okay. Or if you are a kriya yogi, that you are doing your kriya honestly. You are doing your movement honestly. So, karma yogi is Kshatriya, the movement. The kriya yogi, they are Vaishyas. And bhakti is for Shudras. In reality, all of these so-called Brahmins, they are doing bhakti only. But bhakti was reserved for Shudras. Aren't you supposed to meditate and reach there? Huh? What happened to that? Why are you doing Ram, 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 Ram? That's not your path. Your path was Gyan Yoga. What happened to Gyan Yoga? So basically they themselves are Shudras, but they are pretending that someone who is trying to reach it by harder paths, that they are doing something wrong. Well, Krishna himself has said, look at these guys. Okay, so they are Sitaram, Sitaram, Sitaram. Krishna himself has said, those who have knowledge of Brahman are Brahmins. मतलब भाई लाइक ये तो धोखा, मतलब कितने बड़े हिपोक्रेट है, तुम लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. मतलब शंकराचार्य जो जिसके नाम पे ये जी रहे हैं, आदि शंकराचार्य, he himself went and touched the feet of a Chandal. Do you understand what that means? And these guys, basically, if the same Shankaracharya, like they right now, what is there, encounter this same situation, what will he do? Tell me. So how can he be Shankaracharya? Understand the basic difference. They are not even acting like him in the exact same scenario. They are a dark copy of it, which is Sukracharya. Basically, they know the techniques, but they don't have the character. The main work was to develop character, to kill ego or ahankar. That they have not done. But because they were pathway for siddhis, so they attained siddhis. And most of them are doing black magic only. So they steal other powers, basically, in a sense. How stupid you are. I told you, I see everything. What does that mean? What is the meaning? साले, मतलब मेरे को कॉल कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, मेरे को कॉल करके मेरे को झूठा बोल रहे हैं. भाई तुम कॉल क्यों कर रहे हो? क्या लेना देना है मेरे तुमसे? Like a weird, bro. That proper narcissist behavior. And he's like, मैं तो हालचाल पूछने के लिए, मतलब हालचाल, तू मेरे को झूठा बोल रहा है. हालचाल क्या, तुझे तो हालचाल, यदि तू मेरे को झूठा बोलता है इसका मतलब तुझे तो मेरा हालचाल खराब चाहिए. तो तू तो ये सुनना चाहता है कि मैं किसी प्रॉब्लम में हूं, है ना? बेटा जिसने बनाया है ना पापा जी, जिसने बनाया है वो सिर्फ सोच मिले तो धरती बदल जाती है. उसको तंत्र मंत्र ये सब की जरूरत भी नहीं है, क्योंकि वही वो ही सृष्टि है, वो है असली भगवान का मतलब. पूरा गेम ही वही है ना, मैट्रिक्स ही वही है. इन लोगों को कोई आइडिया नहीं है कितने टाइप से कम्युनिकेट कर रहा हूं मैं, कितने लेयर्स पे काम कर रहा हूं मैं. जो लोग स्पिरिचुअली अट्यून्ड है उनको स्पिरिचुअल मैसेज समझ में आता है. उसके लिए वो होता है जो बस सिर्फ सोच रहा होता है, तो कॉन्टेक्ट में होता हूँ मैं. वो लोग उसको और एम्पलीफाई करते हैं कोड वर्ड्स पे. फिर बाकी जो लाइव जो अभी जो मैं फिजिकल में बोल रहा हूँ, ये अलग मैसेज है. ये अलग टाइप के लोगों के लिए जो फिजिकली सुनते हैं. इसमें भी अलग अलग टाइप के कोड वर्ड लगा के बोलता हूँ मैं. कॉन्शियसनेस का मतलब क्या है? कॉन्शियसनेस का मतलब है कि एक एक शब्द जो मेरे मुंह से आ रहा है वो पूरी प्रकृति बदल रहा है, क्योंकि मुझे पता है वो प्रकृति बदल रहा है. मैं कॉन्शियस हूं कि वो कैसे कनेक्टेड है प्रकृति से. मैं कॉन्शियस हूं कि हाँ ये शब्द कैसे निकलते कैसे है, ये एनर्जी मैनिपुलेशन है। शब्द जो है वो एनर्जी ऊपर नीचे ही तो हो रही है। ये था तंत्र में चले गए हम। तंत्र उन लोगों के लिए है ना, वो जो उसको वैसे नहीं समझ सकते, स्पिरिचुअल उस वेवलेंथ पे नहीं समझ सकते वो लोग। तो तुमको लोगों को पता लिया भाई कि कैसे कैसे कंट्रोल कर रहा हो तुम्हारे वर्ल्ड। तो लोगों को लगता है कि ऐसे मोडेस्ट जी रहा है, ये ऐसे है, ये तो ऐसे चाय पीता है, तो बीड़ी पीता है, तो गरीब है, ये तो बेचारा है, ओह इसका कौन है, अकेला जा रहा है, ये तो इसका तो हम फायदा उठा सकते हैं। साला तेरे को बनाया किस लिए बे? बट यूनिफिकेशन तो कंप्लीट हो ही गया अभी, लाइक मोस्टली नाउ ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड throughout some excuse I have awakened people, basically people of light. Now somebody sees the path differently, no, everyone sees the path differently. Someone sees for freedom, someone sees it for rights, someone sees it for survival. Different type of yogas only. Basically I have connected my reality with the your reality right now, so now you can transition. So all of that effort was in doing that only. चलो फिर विल मीट अगेन। नमस्कारम।